कौन कहला फास्ट तुम कर दियो अच्छा सब गरम माहौल सब गरम गरम माहौल गरीब हम है मींस वी आर ऑल आर गरीब कवर नहीं खाली इनकम टैक्स जदी इनकम कहिथन पिटी भाई बोले जे आइटम ए पॉलिथिन केते मागी पॉलिथिन जा एडी बोरा वाला पाखु मागी आनी बोरा हैं कोन 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 आयो
गाइस ए पिलाडा को बहुत हैरान करछि पाठ पढिया को दोना निजे पूरा सब पढने के से हम गडे हैरान करी हम माइंड डिस्टर्ब से अभिगे टोटली पूरा पढिले मने रहियो सब्सक्राइब करंतु एमिति डिस्टर्ब डिस्टर्बिंग सब्सक्राइब हां टेंशन का माहौल है खाली फोन भाई रिकॉर्ड मी भाई कैसिंग इंट्री लिखो देखा इनफॉरमेशन मैंने किसी इनफॉरमेशन ना करी कौन इनफॉरमेशन सुने हेला
2,000 years later.
Council is the highest decision making body responsible for making recommendations in the GST-related matters. In India, it was established under Article 279A of the Constitution to ensure uniform implementation of the GST Act. Let me tell you why GST Council is important. It ensures that the central government and state government GST network. The GST network is called as a Section 8, that is not for profit company. Then ITC allows businesses to claim credit for the GST paid on purchases against GST payable on sales. It removes cascading effect, that is tax on tax effect.
The Income Tax Act 1961 and the newly amended Act 2025. First of all, we are discussing about what is tax. Basically, tax is a compulsory financial charges imposed by the government on the individuals, businesses, and other entities to generate revenue for public expenditure and the welfare of the society. Taxes are being laid on subjects from the time immemorial. Some of the examples are taxes laid by moral destiny. In ancient India and medieval rulers were levying taxes at their time. Then after that, we are going to explain some about the historical context about the promote economic developments, funds, public service, and infrastructure. After that, we are transfer expenses. For an example, if I am the owner of a land, I purchased that land in 8 lakh rupees, but I sell that property in 12 lakh rupees. But for the expenses to given brokerages and rupees, then the capital gain is equal to 12 lakh minus 8 lakh plus 20,000, which is 3,80,000. 3,80,000 is the taxable capital gain. Exemption from capital gains. There are some sections which, first of all, capital gain. Capital gain refers to the profit or gaining arising from the transfer of the capital assets. After that, what is capital assets? Capital assets may include the land, buildings, shares, securities, mutual funds, gold, and other investments. The capital gain is it includes income and from carrying on in business, trade, commerce, manufacture, vocation, or profession. Scope of income. This rate covers profits from business activities, professional fees earned by doctors, lawyers, accountants, consultants, commissions, brokerage, and other earning directly connected with business or professional operations. Computation of income. Taxable eligibility income is calculated by deducting allowable business and professional expenses and other permitted deduction from the gross receipts of profits earned during the financial year. Advertising and marketing expenses in
25. It is not a tax. It is not a new tax, but a method.
আমি চিহ্ন তুলে দাও হ্যাঁ খুব মিস মারলে ସେତେବେଳେ ଗୁଡ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟରନୁନ୍ ଏଭ୍ରିୱାନ୍ ହିଁ ହଉଛି अरे बाप रे होल्ड योर फिंगर अरे बाबा की इंग्लिश कौन 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 जो कौन पूर्ण से मुड़ी रहा दिल लेजेंड अरे
was enacted administration functions. In 1961, the Income Tax Act 1961 was passed. Tax regime for individual taxpayers. In 2025, the Income Tax Administration continued to focus on the digital compliances, that is AIS reporting, the digital payment methods.
Is implemented on goods and services rather than an individual's income or wealth. GST comes under indirect tax. It is a tax that is legislation-based multi-stage tax system that sustains multiple cascading central and state.
नहीं हुई थी
I joined December 2025 in October month. I'm first learning GST filing, income tax filing, any other filing like full license, trade license, and the registration. And now many more to learning here. So thank you.
ହେଲା ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସତ୍ୟ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ କରିଦେଉଛି ହେଲା 2019 ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ଦେନ୍ ବହୁତ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଗଲ୍ କରିଛି ତା ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ କମ୍ପିଟେଟିଭ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଦେଇଛି ଦେନ୍ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍କୁ ଆସିଲା ଟାକ୍ସେସନ୍ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ ଲିଗାଲ୍ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ ଏନ୍ସିଏଲ୍ଟି ମ୍ୟାଟର୍ସ ଦେନ୍ ଆମର 160 କେସ୍ ବେଲ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର୍ସ ଇଭେନ୍ ସାଇବର ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ମ୍ୟାଟର୍ସ ବି ଦେଖୁଛି ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ଦେନ୍ ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍
Sir, public was the fast food किया होती खाया।
ମୋର ସତ୍ୟର ଆକାଶ ନନଭେଜ୍ ଆମେ ତ ଭେଜ୍ ଖାଉ ଆମ ଅଫିସ୍ ଯେବେ ବି ଆମେ ନନଭେଜ୍ ଖାଉ ଏଇ ଏକଲା ଭେଜ୍ ଖାଏ ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ନନଭେଜ୍ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆମେ ନନଭେଜ୍ ଖାଉ ଯାହା ବି ଦେଇଥାଉ ଆମର କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସତ୍ୟ ସୋମବାର ତ ଖାଇନି କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଠିକ୍ ଦେଇଛି ମତେ ଲାଗିଲା ଅଧିକ କାଲି ଦିଅ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଖାଇଲେ ମୁଁ କାଲି ପୂଜା କରେ ଖାଇବନି ମାନେ ନନଭେଜ୍ ଖାଏ ଭେଜ୍ ଖାଅ ତମ ମାନେ ପାଇଁ ଭେଜ୍ ତ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କର ବଟଲ ଦେଇଦିଅ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆକାଶ ତ ବଟଲ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେ
खाइला क्यों मावा हाँ जी आप कौन चाहिए Kau gimana kau lah?
दिल भर दीदी ना भाई दीदी ना
दूसरे 300 का समस्त बंटा जाए
वीडियो बनी कौन चेंज पोज स्टाइल चेंज
Next.
Hey, 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 hey. नाही हबनी अरे फाटी पड़ी गो गो अरे ट्राई कर हाँ फाटी जीव ना गाड़ी गाड़ी पकड़